Right on the light fixture is a bird's nest. And right over here on this railing are hundreds of bird mites. Bird mites are a parasite that feed on the blood of birds. When the birds leave their nests, the mites are left behind without a suitable host for their next blood meal and make their way into a home. Once inside, they take over and start feeding on the family. To make matters worse, bird mites are tiny and semi-transparent, so they're extremely difficult to detect. We're going to carefully remove and dispose of the bird's nest and then treat the infested area with a solution that targets and exterminates the bird mites.